Did you know you can send voice messages on Discord, just like WhatsApp? Here's how to do it. First, make sure Discord is fully closed. Now, open any web browser on your PC and search for vencord.dev. This tool allows you to unlock extra features in Discord. Here, click on the download button and choose your operating system, Windows, Mac, or others. Click on download vencordinstaller.exe. Once the file is downloaded, open it. When the installer opens, here select the Stable option, then click the Install button. Wait for the installation to finish. Now open Discord again on your PC. Go to Settings by clicking the gear icon in the bottom left. On the left sidebar, you'll now see a new option called Vencord. Click on it, then select Plugins. Here, scroll down and find the Voice Messages option. Toggle it on. Now close the settings and open any DM or chat. In the message box, click the plus icon. You'll now see an option to send voice message. Click on it. Tap Start Recording. Speak your message you want send. Then stop the recording. You can preview it and adjust the volume. Once you're happy, tap Send. And that's it. Your voice message has been sent on Discord from your PC. For more Discord tips, subscribe to Tech Simplify.